This is Cape Town in the Republic of South Africa, one of the most popular tourist venues in the world. And this is Good Hope Studies, which is situated in the heart of Cape Town.
Olá, meu nome é Lúcia, sou angolana, estou aqui na Good Hope Studies a fazer inglês e estou a gostar muito.
안녕하세요. 제 이름은 정재엽이고요. 저는 한국에서 왔고 대구에서 왔습니다. 그리고 지금 Good Hope Studies에서 공부를 하고 있습니다.
Oi, eu sou a Bárbara do Brasil. Venham para Cape Town, que é maravilhoso aqui. Vocês têm que aproveitar.
Hallo, ich bin Manuela Kreibier, komme aus der Schweiz und ich bin hier in Kapstadt at Good Hope Studies, um einen Englischkurs zu machen für 3 Monate.
Hola, soy Juan de España, vengo de Madrid y he venido aquí a aprender inglés a Good Hope y es un sitio estupendo para hacerlo, donde los profesores te tratan muy bien y haces un montón de amigos y se pasa fenomenal.
Yes, Good Hope Studies is a great place for foreign students to learn English, whilst at the same time taking in the culture, the sights and the splendour that is Cape Town. With a long-established and proven track record, Good Hope Studies has grown from its initial single campus in the garden suburb of Newlands to 2 different campuses in and around the city, each with a maximum capacity of 120 students, making it one of the biggest English language schools in South Africa. But it is not only providing effective language training in a vibey, popular city, it is much, much more. Issues such as international accreditation, student safety, suitable accommodation, and the opportunity for invigorating social interaction all form part of the critical elements required to ensure the success of any such institution. And Good Hope Studies is all too aware of these issues and ensures that they are given top priority.
The reason we've grown is because of the excellent facilities that we provide, but also the excellent teachers that we have, the excellent accommodation that we provide to our students. And the more people who come to Cape Town and visit Good Hope Studies, they just go away totally excited about what they've seen, what they've experienced. They tell their friends tell their friends.
Let us take a moment to look at each of the aspects that help to make Good Hope Studies a great place for anyone who wants to attend. Being a member of the International Association of Language Centres, Good Hope Studies is subject to constant monitoring through strict on-site inspections every 2 years. And having membership to the internationally recognised and Cambridge University accredited Certificate in English Language Teaching to Adults, Good Hope Studies also runs its own teacher training program, ensuring it maintains the highest possible training standards.
Our school has most probably one of the best levels of professionalism in Cape Town.
The teachers are very involved in giving the best that they can to the students.
We're forever working on improving our reputation. We take that very seriously.
But it takes more than the right qualifications to run a successful institution, as we are all too aware. It takes a commitment and an understanding of the students that goes way beyond formal training. Plus, ensuring that the right environment is created.
It's a very relaxed place where the people are very friendly. They are obliging people. They will take care of them, and that's the word, take care of them.
Whilst maintaining the highest quality standards in the classroom, Good Hope Studies places no lesser importance on ensuring that the personal needs of the students are attended to at the same high standards. The campuses have been designed to create a comfortable, informal atmosphere, with areas where one can relax, coffee stations, and free internet services all on hand. At our facilities, situated in upmarket residential areas, swimming pools surrounded by leafy gardens ensure the experience of a pleasant, restful atmosphere. Whilst at our city campus, the pulse of Africa weaves its way into the hearts and minds of all those who encounter it. And when the lectures are over, we assist students in choosing from a variety of accommodation options to suit all types and all budgets. For the family-minded, we help provide homestay facilities in cooperation with host families.
We get a very quick understanding of what young people are like all over the world, and we couldn't afford to travel. So we thought, well, if we can't go to Germany and Austria and Switzerland and wherever else, then it would be an opportunity to have somebody from another country come to stay with us.
I have a host family, and it's really good because they're Muslims, so completely different culture and good food. It's really good. I love it.
For the more independent or the more adventurous student, other forms of accommodation are available, ably arranged through our full-time accommodation officer.
If you have somebody who likes to live in a student residence in a commune, we have that. Someone who wants a private room in a family, we have that. Someone who prefers an upmarket bed and breakfast, we have that. Someone who wants to stay in a 5-star hotel, we have that. So that literally ranges from student communal residence to a 5-star hotel, which we don't own, but certainly would arrange the accommodation for those students.
I'm living in a student house in the Good Hope Studies. Yeah, it's very nice because I can meet various country students. It's very interesting for me.
With a mix of students coming from over 50 countries each year, there's no better opportunity to make new friends and discover a bit more about the world than by coming to Good Hope Studies. And what better place to encounter this than in magical Cape Town, one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Situated on a peninsula at the foot of the African continent, Cape Town is a scintillating melting pot of cultures, old and new. With a strong African culture, blended through years of European interaction, Cape Town provides a warm, friendly introduction to the rest of the continent. With its mild Mediterranean climate, students can enjoy making the most of what the Cape has to offer throughout the year. Whether visiting world-famous attractions such as Table Mountain and Robben Island, wine tasting, game spotting, seeking out a diversity of shops, clubs and restaurants, and plenty of unspoiled outdoor facilities all on your doorstep, no one attending Good Hope Studies will ever be short of something to see or do in their free time. And with a full-time recreational officer on hand, students can be assured of enjoying safe, fun and memorable excursions with their fellow students.
Okay, most on weekends I go on the beach. We go to games, cricket games, rugby games.
It's perfect. I love here. I have a good relationship with people from all over the world, Swiss, German people, Dutch people, and the teachers are really kind as well. I'm learning a lot.
We are always doing things together, like go surfing, and going out at night, go to cinema sometimes, having lunch out there.
Yeah, I think there are many nice places where you can go and spend your free time.
My English is still improving, it's keeping improving because of we have very good system here to learn English, and I think it's the best thing here.
Every day you can do something and it's really great.
It's all about balance and quality of life. There is a saying that all work and no play make Jack a dull boy. At Good Hope Studies, we can guarantee that your stay will be anything but dull. And with most major airlines flying the route to South Africa on a regular basis, Good Hope Studies is only as far as your nearest international airport. With a combination of top-class English language training, safe and enjoyable surroundings, plus the beauty of the city of Cape Town, all we want to know is, when will you be here? Good Hope Studies. Language learning in paradise.